StrongArm gas charge lift supports and ProGlide tailgate assist offer best-in-class coverage for everywhere your customer's vehicle needs a lift.
Replacing a lift support is a straightforward job. Only basic hand tools are required. You should use the buddy system. Before removing the old lift supports, examine any hardware provided to determine which components need to be reused. If possible, have someone hold the hatch, hood, trunk, or rear window open while you're replacing the lift support. Prop rods can fail suddenly when the struts are removed or installed. The new lift support must be installed in the same position and orientation as the old one which was removed, unless otherwise instructed. Be careful to not nick or scratch the black nitride rod. There are several styles of connectors for the struts. Look at the replacement unit to see how to remove the old unit from the vehicle. Depending on whether it is an eyelet, ball, or keyhole slot will determine which tools you will need. If there are two lift supports, do not remove them both at the same time, but they should be replaced in pairs. Only replacing one will likely cause the new unit to fail prematurely. Once the new supports are installed, check the operation of the liftgate, trunk, or hood.